With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Question is given: a brick is projected from ground with speed v at angle theta from a horizontal. The longer face of brick is parallel to ground. The brick slides along ground through some distance after hitting ground and then stop. So the collision is perfectly inelastic. The coefficient of friction is mu, and mu is less than cot theta. The angle theta is chosen such that brick travels the maximum horizontal distance before coming to rest. So find the distance in a meter. Here we have to find a distance in meter. So firstly here we can see that range is equal to mu square sine theta, mu square sine 2 theta upon g, and here impulse along vertical after collision. So here means impulse along vertical after collision. So Ix is equal to mb sin theta, and here horizontal impulse is I by horizontal impulse is equal to I by minus mu mb sin theta. Now here horizontal velocity after impact means the horizontal velocity after impact we can write here. Horizontal velocity after impact is equal to v cos theta minus mu v sin theta, and here so total distance along horizontal. So distance is equal to horizontal, that is v square 2 sin theta cos theta upon g plus v square upon 2 mu g sin theta minus mu sin theta, minus mu sin theta square, and here after calculating it is equal to v square 4 mu sin theta cos theta plus sin theta minus mu cos theta square, this is the mu cos theta, upon 2 mu g, and here it is equal to v square sin theta plus mu cos theta square upon 2 mu g, and here d max is equal to v square 1 plus mu square upon 2 mu g. So the distance value will come here. This is solution of this question, guys. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.